From time to time, it becomes necessary to replace the embers in your gas fireplace. Embers can appear differently depending on the make, model, and manufacturer. The embers for this heatilator model look like fuzzy green cotton, and they come in a bag and often can be discarded just not knowing what they are. So when you want to put the embers in your gas fireplace, you want to pick little dime-sized pieces out of the bag and place them next to the burner holes. As you can see, I've already removed the log assembly to make it easier to gain access to these burner holes. Now with these small pieces, you want to make sure you're not blocking the burner holes, so this way the gas can still travel down the burner pan and ignite properly. Too often, too large clumps will be put in, or the embers will be put in an improper location on the burner, and it will impede the function of your gas fireplace. You also do not want to put embers directly under the pilot assembly. Putting the embers under the pilot assembly can prevent the fireplace from igniting properly. I like to take my time and carefully place the embers in small pieces right next to the burner ports. If you have any questions regarding the placement of your embers on the gas burner, please consult your fireplace manufacturer, or you can check out one of our other videos here at Central Jersey Fireplace.